Hi YouTube and welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to come to show you what my latest makes are and some earrings that I've been putting together that I found in my Glowforge room that had not been put together. I have a 2-day show coming up this weekend. So yeah, so I just took the time to put them together. Okay, so this is one of the things that I made this week. I made this turtle, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this one is Ella's turtle. Ella from No Catchy Name. No, maybe not. Yeah, I think it is. I think this one is Ella from No Catchy Name. I think that's her turtle. And I like this turtle. And then I put some felt eyes on it. I always put felt eyes on mine, most of the time anyway. So this is what I made. So that's one of the turtles that I got made this week. And then I also made this turtle, and I can't remember. I think this one is CJ Designs, if I'm not mistaken. Um, yeah, so I also made this one, and I also put some cricket eyes on it that I made. So we have that one. And this is, I think this is called Pretty Girl. These were done with a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook and some Burnett yarn that I got from Joann's when I wasn't sick and I was able to go down there. So we have this turtle. And then we also have a rose turtle. Gotta. We have a rose turtle. And this one is Creative. I can't think of her name right now, but I was so proud of this turtle right here, trying to get this one together because I wasn't sure if I would be able to do it, because you do the rows. You do the shell, and then as you're crocheting the shell, it's a half double crochet in the back, no, in the third loop. So I wasn't sure if I could figure out what the third loop was because I'm not a pattern reader. I'm trying to learn. So, but I figured it out. And so on this one, I made the shell first. Then I crocheted the head and the fins and everything. And I'm so proud of this one. I love this little rose turtle. So yeah, so I'm going to try to make another one. I have a show this weekend. I don't know if I'll be able to make another one before the weekend, but I'm going to try. But I love my little rose turtle. So if I can remember what the pattern designer's name was, I'll put it down in the link. And then also, I just put together some earrings that I had, and I'll show you some of those. Some of them are repeats. I didn't even realize I had all these in there cut already. But I have these ones. And these ones say Hope. And I have a couple of pairs of those ones, I think. But then I also have these. And these ones say Love. And then I have another pair of Love. And another pair. Okay, and then these ones. Then this is another pair of Hope. And the cards, I stamped them myself because they were just plain. And so I got some of my my little ink from scrapbooking and my stamps and stuff. And I just put some little stamps on the cards. And I also have this pair that say Jesus. And I have a couple of pairs of those. These ones also say Jesus. And these ones I got, I think these ones came out of the Glowforge app. And then I think this was something I got out of Google. And I just traced it in Silhouette and was able to make it an SVG and cut it out. And this was, I found some more of this acrylic that I had painted. And I didn't want to throw it out, so I just cut earrings out of it. I cut these. And then I found some of this, and I cut out these butterflies. And then these were some of the African fabric that I bought from the from a quilt store, well, from a fabric store. And I cut these out. And then I also cut out these butterflies. And then here's another pair of African, these are another pair of the African print. So even though you cut it from the same piece of wood, as you can see, there's more purple in this one than there is in this one. But it's cut from the same piece of fabric side by side. And so is this one. And then I also cut out these. And I painted this acrylic. This was clear acrylic. And then I also cut this shape out of the clear acrylic. This was the first set. So this is more round, and this is like a fatter teardrop looking one. And then I also have these ones that I cut out of, but you see this one has more gold dots than this one, but they're the exact same fabric. And then I think I have some more behind me. And I think I cut these ones a long time ago and painted with some acrylic marker the sunflower in there, or whatever that kind of flower is. And then I cut out these, and I really like these, even though they're like, it's the same fabric but a little bit different. And I point that out to people, but they still buy them like that. And then these are some butterflies that I cut out. And here's another African fabric that I cut out. A few more. And then here's another one. And here's another one that came out of the middle of something, but I always put if something comes out of the middle of a pair of earrings, I always put a hole in it to make another pair of earrings. Even if I put them in my free pile and give them away for free. I figure just use it up. No scraps left behind. And then this one is a little bit different, but the same piece of fabric. This one too, same piece of fabric. This one as well, same piece of fabric, but just a little bit different, more black on this one right here than on this one. And then we have this set right here, more gold dots on this side over here than on this one. And then here was some black acrylic. So that's the back side. This is some black acrylic. Let me see. I can tell you. So this is some black acrylic that I painted. Well, black and gold. And then this was a piece of fabric. Sometimes they don't want to turn around. So then this was the same fabric. And then we have these ones. Let me see, is there any other? Then I have a couple of more that I need to put together. And I'll show you what I mean by putting holes in them. Like I still have these to put together. I still have these ones to put together. But out of the middle of that hole came these two earrings. So I'm going to turn these into earrings, but they came out the middle of the hole. Now the hole is meant for it to be thrown away, but I don't throw away anything. I use everything. No scraps left behind. And then here's this pair to be put together. And then these ones I showed you earlier were from the centers of this one. Uh-oh. It was from the center of these ones. This came out the center. So I just kept it and turned it into an earring. And then I have another pair of these to put together. And then I have this also to put together. So I'll be putting these together, these last few pair of earrings. And then I had some other, and I don't know if I'll put these together before the weekend, but these are just some wood one pieces that have one hole and two. So I figured I can put a jump ring through the two holes and then put something else at the top, or maybe put like a bead dangle or something on that one. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure if I'll even do those ones before the weekend. And then what else did I have on my desk over here? I think that, oh, one more thing. I'm still not done with it. I was watching a video last night. I wanted to make a jumbo bee, and I should have watched the whole video first, but I didn't, because she made a jumbo bee and then she surface crochet, well no, she made a chain and then she sewed the chain onto the bee, and so she didn't add the stripes. I wish I would have added 2 more stripes onto this one. The next one I probably will. So I'm going to add some wings onto this because I don't want to frog it, but I'm going to add some wings onto this one, probably maybe on the top where the color change is, and then add a face, or I may add it on this side. I doubt if I add it on this side because the stripes are here, so it needed 1 more pair of stripes. But like I said, she surface stitched hers on, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted a regular bee, but I picked the wrong tutorial to watch, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna finish it and put it in my show for this weekend. And then I do have one more item to show you. I don't know if I can pause this one. I don't think this pauses like my phone does, but anyway, I'll show you that on the next video. So stay tuned for another video, probably not today, but maybe later on today, I'm not sure. I'm going to bring back and do the word of the Lord on my next video. So I might show the next thing that I wanted to show you in that video, or I'll show you it in another upcoming video, because I don't know what else I'll get done this week. Today is Monday. The show is on Saturday and Sunday. So I should be able to get some more stuff done, but I'm just not sure what I want to do. I think I want to go get some wood and do some wood projects, but I'm not sure. So just stay tuned, and God bless you. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.